Hello students, let us learn the reactivity series. So what is reactivity series? So reactivity series is it's a list of metals arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. So on the basis of decreasing reactivity, so decreasing order of reactivity, metals are arranged in the form of a vertical column. Here you can see the metals are arranged in the form of a vertical column, or this series of metals are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. So it starts from potassium and ends at gold. So some common metals are arranged in the form of a series. Here potassium is at the top. So we can say that potassium is the most reactive metal, and here gold is here, and gold is the least reactive metal. So the most reactive metal is placed at the top and the least reactive metal is placed at the bottom. So it starts from potassium, then comes sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. Then there is a non-metal hydrogen. So actually hydrogen is placed in between because in order to differentiate the most reactive metals and least reactive metals. So above hydrogen the metals are more reactive, and below hydrogen the metals are less reactive. So in order to differentiate these metals, hydrogen is placed in between. Then after hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. So copper, mercury, silver and gold, they are comparatively less reactive, and all the other metals above hydrogen, they are reactive in nature, and the most reactive metal is potassium. So we need to memorize the series. So for easy memorization, you can use this code, that is, please send cats, monkeys and zebras into lovely hot countries. Mercury saves gold. So this code can be used to memorize the series. So the first letter can be used to memorize this series of metals. So from please you can take P, then from send you can take S. So this will be the first letter of all these metals. So using this code you can memorize these metals in the correct order. So reactivity series is actually, it's a list of metals, and that is actually arranged in the form of a vertical column. So in the form of a vertical column, the metals are arranged in the order of their decreasing reactivity. So the reactivity will decrease when coming down. That means at the top of the series the metal is having more reactive, and the bottom of the series that metal is least reactive. That is the meaning. So a vertical column of elements are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. That is known as reactivity series. So this is about reactivity series.